Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're approaching to the birthday of the Multistrada and I decided to make a gift to the bike. I will change these air intakes. I will put the 2025 model intakes that are closing this gap for the winter riding. Let's make the unboxing. So let's start the unboxing. These are the parts. All these parts costed about 50 to 60 euros. And here it is. We will start the unboxing. There is left and the right side, so we will separate these for left and right side and we will assemble this. This is the right hand side. Right hand side. We need the spring. Now we have to check what we have to remove here to install this. The difficult part is that there are two screws here and here that we cannot remove very easily. So you have to remove some plastics to access the bolt. This. Don't be lazy, you have to do this. So let's start. Okay, now we are clean, we removed all the plastics. Just keep in mind not to lose this rubber. Take it out like that and we should install it here like that. Now we will remove the old part. We need to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts to remove the old air intake and install the new one. We need the Torx T20 for these bolts. This is the old part and we will install right now the new one. We finish with this. We will do some final check with our hands. Very nice. Let's see that it is working. Very nice. There is something very important. You should install the tie wraps for the cables for the turn signals from this side before you install the plastic cover. Here and here. Otherwise, if you install first the plastic, you would not have the access from the back to keep it like that. Very nice. Don't forget to put some dishwashing liquid here. This part, you have to be careful about these things to be straight and just in place. First of all, put it from the bottom. Take out the cables. Very nice. It wasn't very difficult. Very nice. Tie up the cables here. Okay. So this is not necessary. Maybe if it was too long, but now it's okay. So you can take it out or tie this a bit. Okay. Do you remember this rubber thing? Now it's time to put it in place. Push it a bit inside. You see? Nice. Just in place. So we will avoid the noises from the vibrations. Now we will take the Torx T25. Very nice. Let's see now how easy it is to do this while you're riding. So it was something very easy. You had to undo a lot of bolts here, but it wasn't very difficult. Just keep in mind not to lose the bolts and where you put each bolt, and it will be very nice upgrade for 50-55 euros. So I suggest you to do this upgrade just in case you need some time for rain, for very cold air that you have while you are traveling. So now we will do the other side, and that's it. I think we have done. Oh, yeah, you see blood everywhere. We should take some protection, but the job has finished. Let's see now. And from the other side, Very nice. Something that we forgot to check is that I didn't check if the turn signals are working. Okay, both are working, so okay, we're fine. Finally, this is it. I finished. Very nice upgrade for 50 euros. I recommend this to everyone who has the 2023 Multistrada V4. So if you like the video, don't forget like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.